I see Falcon. What can this be? What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and as always, thanks so much for clicking on this video. In today's episode, we do have a package right here. This is from DerekMarr. We are currently in the middle of a trade, so I cannot wait to open this up and showcase what we got in the box. I'm pretty sure you guys are all just as excited as I am because I cannot wait to open this up. But before we get to this, I actually took the time yesterday and categorized these in the colors that they needed to be in. That way it looks a little bit more cleaned up. So I have all the blacks, red, whites, greens, but I'm pretty sure you guys don't care about that. You're just really wondering what is in the box. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got. All right, guys, you ready? Let's open this up. Let's see what we got. I already know what we have. Well, at least I know one of the things I have. What does he have right here? Was not expecting this. What is this? I see Falcon. What can this be? Oh my man. Check this out, guys. Holy crap. 2013 Ford Mustang GT with the full Falcon livery, and this is a green light, and it looks like an exclusive. It's a Hobby Lobby exclusive. Check that out. We don't get these type of things around here, and this is super clean. DerekMarr, you hooked it up. Thank you so much for this. I was not expecting this. This is so sick. Man, that is sweet. Alright, now let's go to this one right here. Alright guys, this is the one I'm most excited for. Oh, check it out, guys. My first Super Treasure Hunt Mustang. Look at this. Oh, that is clean. So you can see right here, you do have the blue base with the nice Real Riders, and you do have the Treasure Hunt logo right there on that rear panel. And it is a very nice dark Spectra flame, and you do have another TH right there on the roof. That is sick. This is the absolute last one I needed to complete all of my 2005s. As you can see right here, this is the mainline version of the Super. Let's go ahead and give a quick comparison side by side. That way we can really look at the differences. Of course, you can see the darker Spectra flame, the really nice Real Riders, and then of course, looks like the blue stripe replaces the red stripe. That is super sick. God, finally. You know how much I've been wanting to get a Super Treasure Hunt Mustang in my collection, and I finally have one. And it's of course the very last variation I needed to complete all of the 2005s. So let's go ahead and put this one back on. There we go, guys. In chronological order, I do have the very first release, which is the purple and orange. Then the next one was the asphalt or slate gray. Then the Hot Wheels race team, the Kmart exclusive, the black one, the Kroger exclusive, the yellow, and the final green one. And now I have the Super. God, this thing is so nice. And this one, I was not expecting you to throw this in this package. This is so sick, dude. Oh, I'm gonna hook you up for sure in the package that I'm gonna be sending you right back in that same box. So this Super definitely needs to go up with all my other Supers. Let's go ahead. I just had this one there. We shall put this in there, and there we go, guys. Check that out. As you guys know, these are all my other Supers I have. I have the Tesla, the 69 Chevy, the Sesto Elemento, the Nissan Fairlady Z, the Audi Quattro, now finally the 2005 Mustang Super, and finishing off with the CRX. What an awesome box. I knew I was getting the Super Treasure Hunt, but I was not expecting this one. This is super sweet, so this is definitely going up. Little hole, hold on. There we go. Now that looks beautiful. But yeah guys, that is all I got. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below as always, because you know I like to interact with all of you. And of course, thanks for all the love and support you've continued to show on my channel. I definitely do appreciate it. Let's hit 2,000 subscribers this year. I'm pretty sure we're gonna hit that milestone because we're steadily growing, and it's all because of you guys. So that is all I got. Until next time guys, this is the Mustang Hunter. Peace.